In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to download your LinkedIn database so that you can import it into your NetOffer system. Go to your LinkedIn account, log in, and then navigate to the Network Contacts option. And when this page comes up, which may take a little time, in my case, for some reason I have to load it twice. But when the page comes up, you're going to see that you have a list of how many people you have in your contacts. That is going to be in the upper left corner. Here you go, where it says all contacts, in my case 2,500 plus records. If you'll scroll down to the bottom right corner of that screen, you'll see a link that says Export Connections. Click there. You have several options to which you can export. You could export to any of those, but I typically just choose Microsoft Outlook. Click Export. And now you'll have to type two different numbers. In this case, I really can't read one of them, so I'm going to reset or recycle the CAPTCHA. Boy, that's tough. Try it again. There we go. It's a little, there we go. I see a number. So SISIETR and then the number 31. Looks like. Click continue. It worked, and now we can go ahead and click export. And the next thing that's going to come up is a little pop-up. We're going to go ahead and save the file. We're looking for LinkedIn Connections Export Microsoft Outlook CSV. Click OK. The file is now being saved. Now it should be saved to your standard downloads folder. So we're going to go ahead and open the standard downloads folder, and here's the file that was saved today. So I'm going to double click to open it, and it'll default open in whatever default spreadsheet that you use. In my case, it's Microsoft Excel. Now, LinkedIn provides you with a very large spreadsheet in terms of the number of fields that you have. I'm highlighting all the fields. I'm going to click Format, Auto Fit Column Width. So now it's easier to see the columns. LinkedIn really only gives you 5 pieces of information that's valuable. First name, last name, email address, and then we can scroll over and you see we go quite a ways. Then we get company, and then a little bit farther we get job title, and that's it. That's the only useful information that's provided. All of the extra fields can be deleted. So if we highlight the fields that we want to delete and then right click and delete them, we're just getting rid of the extra fields so that the import process is as simple as possible. So I'm deleting all of the extra fields that don't have any data in them. Now LinkedIn collects a lot of that data, but they don't allow you to have it, which I don't quite understand what their logic is, but that's the way they run their business. So we're going to delete all these fields so that we have a slimmed and trimmed down spreadsheet. And now if we go back over, you can see that we have, I'm going to just shorten the width of these fields a little bit so that you can more easily see them. Scoot over just a little bit. We have company, and then over a little farther we have job title. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of bring all those together. Now you see how wide some of these fields are? That's because there's a lot of data in them. The import process requires that you use a CSV file. That stands for comma separated values. For it to work correctly, you must remove the commas that exist inside of some of the data fields that LinkedIn provides you. Here's an example. We're going to scroll down under job title, and we're going to look for some people with job titles. Here's CEO, comma, financial management, comma, business cash flow planning, comma. So these commas are going to cause the data import process to be inaccurate. Information will be put into the wrong fields because you're importing a comma separated values, and every time the system sees a comma, it thinks it's the next data field in sequence. So what you need to do is you need to highlight all of the data fields, and so I'm going to highlight all of these. And then with Microsoft Excel, you have a find and select process. If you click there, you have a replace. So we're going to click on replace, and what we're going to do is we're going to find what? We're going to find a comma, and we're going to replace it with a space, and we're going to click replace all, and you'll notice that Excel has completed the search and made 854 replacements. We're going to say OK. We're going to close, and now we're going to look at this field that had previously had CEO, comma, financial management, comma, but now the commas have been removed. That's critical that you do this before you try to import your data. Your data is now ready to be imported into the NetOffer system, and all the commas have been removed, and in this case we've shortened the spreadsheet down to just the 5 critical fields: first name, last name, email address, company name, and job title. At this point, the spreadsheet is ready to be saved as a spreadsheet that can be uploaded, and that concludes a demonstration of how you can download and prepare your LinkedIn database for upload to another system, in this case the NetOffer system. Thanks for watching.